Hi guys, so another day, another Peugeot issue. So obviously we changed the starter motor on this one, and we also made sure everything else is okay. So they did change the fuse box. I don't know which one they did, and after that they still couldn't get it to work. So what I found that the empty fuse over there that you can see in the fuse box, which is this car. Now that is actually blown, so I'll just show you here. So you can see, as you can see, the fuse is blown. So what I'm gonna do here is just gonna jump it for now using a wire so that it kind of completes the circuit, and see how we go from there. Alright, so got the car working now. So thanks to the fuse, this fuse 25 amps that was gone, and as soon as I kind of changed it, started it, done. Hopefully you don't have to see this. Thanks for watching.